Good afternoon, children. So, we were revising the chapter number of nouns. Number of nouns. Okay. In the last video, I have told you about some of the rules how you can change the number of a noun from singular to plural. Also, I have told you why you change the number of nouns because noun is a name of a thing. So the number of it can be changed from 1 to more than 1. Okay. So 1, when the object is 1, we say it is in singular number. And when the object is more than 1 in number, then we say it is a plural number. Okay. Now I told you some of the rules how to change from singular to plural. Okay. The first thing is that you simply add s and change it from singular to plural. Like you have a cat, cat, cat. It will be cats, cats, cats. Okay. And the second I told you that all the words which are ending with ch, sh, s, double s and x. When you make the plural of these words, then you simply don't add s but you add es at the end of the word. Like you see, you have brush, brush. So the word is ending with sh. So when it is brushes, then you say brushes, brushes. Okay. In the same way, you have with church, church, churches. Then you have glass, 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 or class, 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 ending with double s. Then the word when changed into plural, you have to add classes, classes or glasses. Okay. Then you have the words ending with x, like fox, fox, box, box. These words are also changed into plural by adding es, box, es, fox, es. Okay. Now, I have also told you that when you add the words which sometimes end with y, okay, and when you change it into plural, then what do? Like city, city, the word is ending with y. In that sense, in that case, you have to see that whether the word has a consonant or a vowel before the y. Okay, if you have a consonant before the y, that is city. Okay, city, city. So t is a consonant. In that case, you change the y into I and add es after it. Okay, so what did I say? If the word ends with y and before the y there is a consonant, then from singular to plural, if you want to change, then you change the y into I and add es to it. So the plural form of city will be cities, cities. Okay. Next, you have, see, if the word ends with y and before it there is a vowel, then you do not change y into I, but you add simply es after the word. Like you see, you have ray, R-A-Y, ray. Okay, now y before it there is a, the a is a vowel, so in that case you write R-A-Y-S. Only you add s to it, raise. Next, key, K-E-Y, key. So you don't change y to I, but you write only s after it. So K-E-Y-S, keys. Okay. So these are the rules that I told you. Today I will be telling you about the words which end with f or fe. Okay. Like see, you have calf, C-A-L-F. Okay. In this case also the f changes into V-E-S. You remove f and write V-E-S after it. C-A-L-V-E-S, calves. Or shelf, S-H-E-L-F. Then you change f into V-E-S and make it plural like shelves, S-H-E-L-V-E-S. Then you have life, L-I-F-E, life, Lives, lives. Okay, then you have wolf, WOLF, so it will be changing to plural with WOLVES, wolves. Okay, now who are the rule breakers? You see here, as you have chef, chief, CHIEF, chief. In that case, you do not change F into F into VES, but you add simply S after it, because again, before you see that CHIEF is the singular word and the plural is CHIEFS. Okay, next is dwarf, DWARF, DWARFS. Children, in this case, you do not have that rule that whether before the F there is a vowel or the consonant, because in these two examples you see chief, CHIEF, so E is a vowel before the F, then also we add S to it to make it plural, and in drop, DWARF, here F, before F you have a consonant, that is R. Here also you add S after the word to make it plural. Okay, so here you have to learn the rule breakers. Who are the rule breakers? You have to learn the words. Okay, next you have the rule that when a word ends with O, like mosquito, buffalo, hero, eco, okay, potato, in this case also we add ES to change it into plural. Okay, but here also you will have some exceptional words, that is rule breakers, like the bamboo, dynamo and photo, piano. Okay, these are the words where though the words are ending with O, but you do not add ES to it, ES at the end, but you simply add S to it. Okay, so in words ending with O, you have to learn up the words which are not following the rule that when a word ends with O, we make it plural by adding ES. Okay, so these are the simple rules that you have to remember. Okay, and then you have to learn up all the words that are given in the exercises so that you can easily change a sentence from singular to plural. Okay, or from plural to singular. Okay, thank you.